Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about better shift to liquidate error Pacific Bank in settlement with Perto Return Regulator. Yeah. Goldberg, Petership has settled with Porto Research Financial Regulator and agreed to liquidate his error Pacific. But Sif stated that he is not admitting to any legal wrongdoing. Petership liquidating error Pacific Bank was the Goldberg and notorious Bitcoin scapegoats. Petership has studied with the Office of the Commissioner of Financial Institutions of Puerto Rico, also known as Oficina del Comisionado de Instituciones Financieras, and agreed to liquidate his error. Pacific Bank, he tweeted Wednesday. I have agreed to a settlement with Puerto Rican banking regulator that tasked me with leading an orderly liquidation of our Pacific Bank. He noted that the liquidation of our Pacific Bank is based on its having insufficient regulatory capital. The bank was not in compliance with the Puerto Rican minimum capital requirements. She professionally explained, "My time didn't understand the rules. We were new to Puerto Rico. We were required to keep more capital than we thought." She further detailed that the settlement agreement asks him to submit a plan for the orderly liquidation of the bank in order to provide the return of 100% of deposit to customer or the transfer of those deposits to another financial institution outside of Puerto Rico. He emphasized that according to the trustees, calculation as of June 30 month, the debt his bank was placed in for consortium. Era Pacific Bank hid an excess cash position to cover all deposits, she additionally noted. I am not admitting to any legal wrongdoing either on part of the bank or me personally. So, Goldberg Petership has settled with Puerto Rico's financial regulator and agreed to liquidate his Aero-Pacific Bank. She stated that he is not admitting to any legal wrongdoing. Petership liquidating Aero-Pacific Bank. Goldberg and uh, notorious Bitcoin speech Petership has settled with the Office of the Commissioner of Financial Institutions of Puerto Rico, also known as officially Commissioner de Instituciones Financieras, and agreed to liquidate his Aero-Pacific Bank, he tweeted Wednesday. Okay, guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.